Welcome back, everybody. Welcome. All right. Oh my God, the lights are. I mean, I have to turn it on. I have to change the lights. Welcome back to the New York session. Just a second. I have to change this. All right, now it's better. Now it's better. 100 Lot, welcome. Good to see you, man. Red Velvet, what's up? All right, so just a quick recap after yesterday's, well, technically yesterday, but today's London session. This level has been taken out, and we were talking about the 585 and this one here. So I got taken out somewhere up there, and I re-entered off stream to a trade, but only until this point. So I actually made back the losses. So where is the account balance? There it is. So I made back the loss. I was down a little bit, but now we're back. And Marcus, welcome. What's up? Holy Grail, good to see you. Welcome, Tom, to my home. Well, oh, thank you. Thank you. All right. So what do we have? We took out the Friday lunch hour high, and that's it, basically. And we also poked into the 1 hour BC down there. I feel like there's two scenarios. Either way, we could go to Friday high or continue down to the new week opening gap. We'll see what's going to happen. I say everybody, you know, take it slow. Small steps. Paul, welcome. Hey there. Bob, what's up? Yeah, I mean, that was a good trade, but I took it after stream, but I was sure that we're going to go down there. Anyway, markets are about to open. Trader Monk, good morning. And there's going to be an opening bell super loud, so be prepared. 3, 2, 1. I know you guys love this bell. Okay. It seems like there's a sell-off continuing to the downside. We just took off this swing low. Vishnav, hey there. Good morning. Okay. I feel like we can continue down. The target is obviously the 524 new week opening gap. If this one continues, I'm not jumping into anything. So I'm just going to be patient, and I'm just going to wait and sit on my hands as long as I could, which is about 10 seconds. No, I'm going to wait a few minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes to see what goes on. So this is the opening candle, and I'm going to put a line to the 7 a.m. Level as well, just to see. Okay, these levels. Friday lunch hour, okay, that has been taken out. It doesn't matter anymore. Okay, we took out liquidity here, so liquidity swept. And now comes the big question, the $1 million question. Are we gonna go lower or not? Let's check the candles, how they are printing. Okay, nothing special so far. I like to check on Quant Hour because I can actually see how the candles are continuing to print, and gives a little bit of an extra feeling. Trading View is actually lagging, so it's always behind. But anyway, look at that. Seems like the sell-off continues down there to 522. Oh my God! All right, what's it gonna be? Is this going to continue lower? I wonder if this one's going to go or not, you know? Would be really interesting to see. A possible sell-off. I'm looking at my... Oh, there seemed to be a connection issue with Apex. I have to reconnect. I have to reconnect to Apex. Okay. So, what else do we have? Can this one go lower? All right, we might be going back to take out the opening high. So far, it's repricing this level. I mean, to me, it seems like it's pretty much done with the upside currently. So I just like to see this one go lower. I don't know what you guys think, but that's what I think could be happening here. Hopefully real soon. Yeah, the Apex data is a little bit lagging right now, or maybe it's just Quant Tower or something. I don't know what's wrong. I thought that we're just gonna go down. Open the long position to on one of the funded accounts. I don't have a stop loss yet. I'm not copy trading this, but I can actually show you where it is. Here it is. I don't have a stop loss on it yet. Only with 2 micros, nothing special. If it would start to go higher, obviously I'm just gonna kill it. Yeah, it's a hard stop. I might gonna close it earlier. I'd just like to see the 50 being taken out. Obviously 26 would be better, but if it would spike down to the 50, I would be glad. Here it is. Nothing special. So I'm looking to close this if I have to. I think I have to. Not sure. Scott said they are doing 400k in payouts today. Let's go. I hope you will get yours then. Almighty God. Got paid less for 7.5k. Well, I really hope that you're gonna get your payment. I really hope 100 lot, you know, that's $16,000. I know it's frustrating. All right. So I might have to close this, or maybe not. I don't know. I don't know. I just want to see it go down to the 50s. Am I asking too much? Is it too much I'm asking? To drop down to the 50s? Maybe I ask too much. Maybe I do. Come on. Oh man, don't do this. Just go down. That's all you have to do. I'm closing it. I don't like it. I closed it. I just don't like the way this indecision, you know, it might want to squeeze everybody. So, and just as soon as I closed it, you guys can enter a short because it's just gonna go down. That's how usually it goes. So yeah, better to wait a few more minutes. There it goes. Well, it's still not going anywhere. But I really hope, if you guys are in a short, I hope it will go down. I choose to exit. This would be a scalp for me. I just don't like that it was taking too much time for the just going sideways. Yeah, the way that it was shaking, and it took like how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, shaking for 5 minutes. I mean, obviously it can go down, but sometimes it does like boom, squeezes everybody out, because 100% sure that there's a lots of short positions in the market right now. Everybody wants this to go down, so what could do some damage? The damage could be done if the market just pushing everybody above the 630, especially after this sideways movement. So I'm gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait a little bit more. That's a lot. Oh yeah, 100 lot. 5 minutes in this chop is a lifetime. 100%. I agree. That's a lifetime. So and so this one created a fair value gap, the opening candle, and this candle is going to close as well. But so far, well, there should not be any tricky moves here. ES is holding so far. Divergence with the ES. But ES still did not make a new low. Still holding. But overall, I would think that, well, let me look the 1 hour on ES. I mean, overall, I would say, damn it, I don't know what to say. The 1 hour chart looks sideways. If I check the 1 hour here, it feels like it's baiting everybody into shorts and then just squeezing them. That's why I took the exit, but Kuko, hey there. Forgot the market open an hour. Oh yeah, exactly. In Europe, we already switched, 1 hour earlier. Yeah. Yeah, we have the opening gap down here. I don't know if it should go down there. The question is, so here are the two scenarios. The question is it gonna boom, just go down? Or it's gonna do like this, squeezing everybody and then go down. So these are the two scenarios. I prefer the first one, but it can easily do this. Take out Friday high and then go down. Not a simple decision to make right now. Jay, man, good to see you back. Good morning. In a long to weave up. Let's go. I just had to get out because I wasn't comfortable in this chop. Kishik, what's oh yeah, you wrote there. Kishik, the US 500 gap, yeah. So the same gap here. I'm watching ES too, but so far nothing special. So far nothing special. But maybe slowly it's gonna grind down. Look at that. My original target was 52, but the 50s, always the round numbers. Seems like it might go down, who knows. But it could be just a trap for the sellers, traps everybody and then squeeze up. Be careful, everybody, just be careful. 52 is down there. I don't know. Gotta be careful. Uh-oh. Slipping lower. I'm not in a trade. I'm still just waiting. Got stopped out. Did we actually? My final TP was at 52. So if I would be holding that trade, I would be still hovering, maybe in a slight profit. Yeah, chicken out. It happens to me as well. That's why I tend to wait for the first initial move. I mean, yeah, we had an open, yes, but I'm not sure, man. I just don't trust this drop. Got rejected. Maybe it's gonna slowly grind lower. I don't know. Maybe. Everybody wants to see this gap closed. That's the thing. And if everybody wants to see that closed, that usually means that something is not gonna go according to plan, right? That's what usually happens. On the other hand, we have a gap from the opening candle right here. And the mid-level of this gap is at 607. I don't know. I don't know. This is just not my... I don't know. We'll see. It's slow grind. I don't know if my original TP would have been hit at 52, but it's definitely a slow grind. Short is still valid. Yeah, I don't know if the market really wants to see this short, or they just want to squeeze everybody real quick. I'm not trusting this. You know, it cannot be trusted that much. What's the level again? The mid level is 607 down up there. I don't know. We're stuck here. If they really want to squeeze everybody, let me zoom it out. Then we have the mid level right there. We have a small fair value gap here, which is so far holding. Yeah, it can't be trusted. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I agree, Kuko. Yeah, I mean, this was a strong open down there, and I'm just wondering if there's going to be a squeeze or just an immediate drop. Is what I think. I mean, I'm just curious of what's going to happen. At least down to the, what was that? Down to the 50s maybe. But if not, then obviously then not. Let's see if the 52 would have been taken, or 50. Where's the 50 level, by the way? I'm just curious. Is it going for the 50? Yeah, it goes. All right. But still, it didn't go for the so the new week opening gap. Anyway, what do we have here? Let me see what ES is doing. ES pushing back up a little bit. I wonder if this one really wants to check that new week opening gap or not. Because then if it goes below the 30s, then it's basically done. Man, now I feel a little bit of FOMO because we took out the 52. I should have just stayed in the trade. Oh man, I'm not jumping in now. I just can't go short here. I just can't. I just can't do it. Would be great, but I just can't. So gonna wait for the next opportunity. Actually, what I'm waiting is a possible return, a squeeze up there to the 930 gap, and then, before it goes down. But I don't know. It seems like the market really wants to put this down. Got your Bulenox trade closed. Oh, yeah, there was a rhythmic issue, I think. Sorry about that, Jamin. Yeah, I missed the move. But I try to control myself over the FOMO. Oh, look at that. Jesus. All right. The FOMO is real now. Back to the new week opening gap, it seems like it. Yeah, maybe. Maybe close some partial and leave the rest open. The mid-level of this area is the 20,500. I like that number. I like that whole number. So the 500, I think, is a very, very, very good target. The problem is I was a chicken, and that's it. There's nothing more to it. I feel like it just wants to go through. I don't even know what's the low here. I mean, if this one wants to go, then let's see. There should be some kind of a squeeze. But I feel like everybody wants to push it to the new week opening gap. You need to fund it just to trade it. Yeah, maybe. Maybe I could do that. You know, use a funded just for open. Nothing more. Second prayer request got approved and funds deducted. Let's go, man. 100 lot. Congratulations, dude. That's actually, you know, that's awesome. 3K. Nice. At least the payout got in before. Yeah. That's, you know, that's an absolute positive thing. Man, look at the way these candles are printing. Like all these wicks, all these rejections. You know, it just can't go. What's the low there? 25, 25, right? Almost got into the gap. Pushing it back. I don't like the way it looks like. It could be squeezing everybody. When comes the squeeze? I'm wondering. When comes the squeeze? No, I did not. No, I did not get it. Yeah. Quite interesting level, by the way, to follow here. The gap is still there. Not sure if price wants to at least wick down, you know, if it wants to wick lower. Or what the heck. I don't know. I don't have an entry. It might be squeezing everybody higher. If it does, then, well, then I have to check the ES. This could be a tricky one. As I said, it's just going to go up there all the way up to the 606, 07 level, something like that. I would be careful. Or just retest the 600, you know. $600 is, yeah, it's right here. Lots of positions are held above the open. Like everybody wants to push it lower or dump it lower. Out for 14. 14 points is great. And I take it anytime. Everyone is sure it fills the gap but won't. Yes. This is the tricky part here. Everybody wants this to fill, but the market could decide that, all right, time to squeeze. Ref, hey there. Today was a painful. Made 4K on the combine. Profits on the scalp 300. I lost. You lost the account? Oh. Yeah, that happens. I mean, obviously it happens to every one of us, so that sucks, I know. Sorry to hear that, man. Trying to figure this out as well, but just don't see any logic here. Maybe a return to this gap would make some sense, but if not, then it has to go all the way down to 25. Okay, new hour. Basically the silver bullet hour, right? We have the silver bullet hour. Yeah, it was okay. Get long on ES. Hey Tim, do you recommend Quant Hour for trading all different? Yes, definitely. Absolutely. I think Quant Hour is perfect for this purpose. Absolutely, I recommend. You just have to subscribe for the $30 monthly advanced features. I also have a link, maybe it gives you a discount price down there in the description of the stream, Quant Hour discount. But it's if it doesn't give you a discount, then sorry. Usually, you know, it's $30, but maybe it gives you $27 for the advanced features. But I think Quant Hour is definitely a good thing for trading different prop firms. All right, what's it gonna be? Looks like it's squeezing. Maybe not. Back to this 1 minute gap right here. It's holding up price as a resistance. I'm going to be curious how this current candle is going to close. All right, seems like it might want to go lower. Who knows? It definitely is a bearish reaction. So what's it going to be? Could be a possible short. You know. But it did react nicely to this 1 minute gap. If it really wants to go down. Oh, thank you, Jamin. Thank you so much for the support. I'm not sure if it gives you the discount. It's just, I mean, I got this as a link, but, you know. I'm also paying a monthly fee every month, $30. All right, all right. Took a short on 565. I might going to close it manually here. Yeah. Watching this closely. Doesn't really want to go down. So it's a tight position. Initial reaction was based on this fair value gap here. To go down to the new week opening gap. The risk to reward would be good, but I don't know. It's not going for it. Not yet. I might going to... I don't know. I'm gonna leave it. I don't mind. If it takes me out, it's okay. Then we should be returning up to the 600. Yeah. Damn it. I might even scalp it to 600. Yeah. I feel like that's gonna be the plan here. So I might going to do a reverse here. If it takes me out, I might gonna go immediately to go for the 599. And maybe with a little bit bigger position with a tight stop. Because then that would be the only place it could go. Yeah, the 1 minute gap is not holding. It's just not. then the only place it could go is the 600, 607 to be exact. But that's gonna be with 1 mini as a possible scalp. Damn it. Yeah, gotta be prepared for this. Yeah. All right. Trying to attack the 599 here. Tight stop, closing it manually. Actually, the final TP would be at 607, but I want to get out at 599 if I can. I just need 1 wick. That's all. 1 single wick. Damn it. Repriced a gap right there. Still gonna have to wait. No, it's not doing it. Well, we tried. I cannot trade more on this account after this, so I just can't. Seems like we're going down to the new week opening gap after this. I had to use a tight stop, obviously. Last resort would be this 1 minute gap, but yeah, it's just not doing it. All right, out from that one. That's not good. All right. Looking for the next possible entry, but on a different account. Yeah, this is just... I'm going to chop myself up, so I might gonna leave it as it is. I really thought that, you know, if we're not dropping, we have to go back to the 600s, but it's not happening. It's not happening. Yeah, that's about $600 loss on this one. I just can't. I can't do more. So if it goes back to the 600s, then I would say the target would be the mid-level of that fair value gap, the 607. So far it did a nice squeeze there. And so far this level is holding. Good morning, Venom. There's no code for now. I think if you don't have a discount, then unfortunately there is no discount right now, as far as I know. But I'll let you know if there's a discount, because while you are a subscriber, you can always add the discount code. But for now, maybe I don't know. Some streamer had a code, a custom code, but I don't have a custom code, and there's no sales now, as far as I know. Pashka, good morning. Advanced features. You know, subscribe to the advanced features. You know, if you go down, advanced features is going to let you connect to multiple prop firms. That's the one you need, basically. Multiple connections. Because the copy trader is built in anyways, so you're good with that. All right, so what's it gonna be? Are we going back down or what? Or are we gonna squeeze up there? Whoa, what a reaction here. We still have the gap. I wonder if we're gonna have the tap. Trying new strategies. Made 2K. Wow, that's a good start. That's Quant Tower, yes. Yes, exactly. No problem, J-Man. Thank you for supporting. You short at 650. Let's go. Yeah, I think you should be alright with the 650-ish area. I'm still trying to figure out what price wants to do. Is it want to go back up there to the opening gap? You know, tap some liquidity, or just dump all the way down there? I just have no idea. But this price action is wow. Might want to waterfall down, you know. Nobody knows. Man, I would sure like to see what price wants to do right now. It's just, you know, NQ is unplugged or something. You're in the hospital? Oh, with your foot. Oh, sorry to hear that, Venom. It's a good trade on your phone. That's, you know, wherever you can make money, just make money, you know. Fabio, good to see you. What's up? Can't see much, but hey, you are here in spirit. That's all that matters. Get well, get better soon. Alright, what's it doing right now? Is it gonna tap into the 600 or what? I'm gonna swing trade, short the NAS after Friday shorts. Oh, well, that could be also a good idea, especially with this gap down there. You know. I'm just curious if there's going to be an initial reaction to the 930 opening gap or not. You know, the mid level is up there at 607, and there's also the 600 level if it wants to tap into it or not, but I'm not sure. Maybe there's going to be absolutely no reaction, or a reaction before it gets there. Let's just wait this out. No reaction for now. I mean, as much as I see that gap is holding price down. Price is respecting that gap for now. Doesn't really want to tap into the 600. We did not touch the new week coming out. Yeah, we didn't. So that's why I'm just trying to decide if it wants to squeeze everybody, but then it has to go into the fair value gap at least above 607. But if not, you know, we can also see a reaction like water falling down. You know, if this gap is holding, then this can just go. I mean, this price just goes. Feels heavy now. It almost went up there to the 600. Almost. Problem is I lost too much, so I'm just gonna wait for the next initial move. Wait for a level, you know, the 600, maybe the 607, the mid-level of the gap, or the opening range up there if it wants to take some liquidity. We don't have any news, so anything is possible. Like I said, everybody wants to see the new week opening gap. Okay, getting weaker. This could have been the reaction. I don't know if it's strong enough to push it up there. I think it just wants to go down. Let's wait for it. Hello, Butsky. What's up? Good to see you. You're on a buy? I don't know, man. We're at no man's land, actually. Everybody wants to see this drop down. And that's why I think it should be pushing into the opening gap. But maybe we had an initial reaction up there on that candle. It sold in the morning and closed positive. Yeah, that was a nice sell-off. I'm just trying to figure this one out, if we're gonna see a reaction higher or not. Should be pushing now. There you go. $5.99 should be taken now. There you go. 607. Wish I would knew that, but I didn't. All right. So the initial squeeze is done. And after we have the midpoint of this, we might, we just might or could have a reaction that we wanted to the downside. I'm not saying that we will, but what if, What if nice little reaction, by the way. And interesting to see that it went just into the midpoint of that 930 gap. Long entry was 10.25 candle, retesting the first present. Oh, yeah. Otherwise, I don't see anything here. I mean, right now is 10:30. If it doesn't really want to go down to the new week opening gap, then it can still go higher to 27, I guess. To the opening candle. What was the open here? 25, 25. Oh yeah, it can. I just want to see the initial reaction. Checking the mini as well. Yeah, I like this. I like this candle. So I opened up a short. And obviously I'm trying to target the new week opening gap again. This is a different account because the previous one had 2-minute loss. but it's a little bit dangerous. Where is this? This one. I was waiting for some kind of a bearish reaction. I got it now, but that doesn't mean that I'm right. Short alert. Yeah. Good morning, MB Trader. What's up? Yeah. So this price action right now, all these wicks were a little bit crazy there, but you know, I'm just curious if we're gonna see any kind of reaction going back down to the gap or whatever. I did like the reaction, that's for sure. And we still have the the new week opening gap technically untouched. So I'm just waiting for this trade. We need to have at least one good trade here, but if not, then I'm just gonna leave it as it is. Oh, come on, man. Why are you doing this? $600? Maybe. Oh man, what a reaction. I really thought that this is just gonna go down so smooth. But it's just not going yet. What a shame. What a shame. I thought I have a good view on where is the drawn liquidity. Anyway. Just retraced. I'm relaxed. I'm completely relaxed. I'm absolutely relaxed. I am superb relaxed, as I can say. Oh no. Maybe I'm not so much relaxed. I don't get this, man. I just don't get it. Oh. I mean, I had my logic behind this. I had the reasoning behind this. I still have, but this is just crazy. What am I doing wrong here? Yes, he's fighting to weave up. Made 2,300 on a 50k account. Jesus, man. Yeah, patience. 3,500 per trade. Nice. Hmm. Oh, it's not good. Man, this one wants to squeeze. All right, I'm closing it. That's it. I closed it. I just closed it. This was just too much for me to handle. I really don't get it. You know, this price action is just, I don't know. Why is it so difficult? Then if it wants to go up, we have the 930 candle up there, which has the opening of 25, I think. I don't even know. On the mini, the opening is at 25. The micro also has it on 25. Feel like it might want to go there, but it is what it is. I think I should stop for the day, to be honest. I think I should call it.
MyFundedFutures could trade to New York during Asia, London. New York fails too. Well, if it's not going down there, then I don't know. Are there some stops maybe above the 630s, or what the hell is up there? I don't know. Trying to figure this out, but can't seem to get the hang of this. Now there's a rejection happening currently. But I feel like it wants to push it higher. Wonderful market, it is. The market turned logical levels, so you had to be careful, yeah. Gee, I should have known that it wants to squeeze everybody. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, but it's too late now. The problem is I don't want to lose more trades like this, so yeah. How's the 15-minute looks like? Yeah, 15-minute got the reaction. Your weak opening gap stays. Reaction on the 5-minute too. Nice squeeze, to be honest, from the market. Really nice squeeze. Hats off, you know. Hats off to the market. Really nice squeeze. Plus 100 run short again. Let's go, man. Yeah, I mean, so far this area is, at least it has the reaction to it. Maybe the PM session will do something. I don't know. And also this 1 minute gap down there beautifully turned back those candles. I would say that a lot of positions are held below that level on the downside. So waiting to reshort. I'm trying. I don't even. I just have to wait for anything. Basically, I'm just waiting for anything that's happening here. Any kind of reaction. Profitable. So taking less trade. Yeah, my goal is taking less trades as well. My goal is also taking much less trades. Why is price keep doing this? Tell me. Because I really don't know. Usually my quality trades are metals. I wait for profits in those. Metals are too right now. Oh, well, I heard that many people making good money on those. Honestly, guys, this is a complicated session for me. I see some levels. I see, but I don't know what to do with this movement. It's like almost like high resistance in both ways. We do have the macro right now, so we have the 1050 macro. I'm just not sure which way it wants to go. Mm-hmm. I don't know, man.
Maybe lunch hour. Maybe the lunch hour will give us the initial move. I don't know. It's Trading Star says market is waiting for your sell. For my sell or buy order. Oh yeah, market is waiting for you, so put on something. A plus trader, good morning. Hey there. Good to see you back. How was your weekend? Actually, let me turn the lights on because it's too dark here. A little bit better. A little bit better. Pretty good. Can't complain. Yeah, but today we have no news, nothing basically, so we have this here. Shall I take the market code? Yeah, please. Just do something. Tell the market to do something, whatever, you know. We see 560. Oh, at 560 will pass. Let's go, man. Feel the urge to place a trade. I'll look where my stop would be and cancel the order. And place my stop level instead. Actually, that's a good strategy. Yeah, Bob, finally. Please make the call. Man. We need someone to talk to them. Oh, it's still too dark here. Alright, a little bit better. I don't know what the heck is going on. Maybe after 11, maybe. But that's a big maybe. Alright, what's it gonna be? Come on, do something. You don't need to know, just buy and sell. So close the eyes and push the button. Basically, that's all we need to know, right? Just close the eyes and push the button. People in here think we'll fill the gap. Yeah, not just here. Everybody, I think, wants to see the gap fill. And that's why the market is doing all this stuff. It's holding view up on the 5-minute. Okay, uptrend within the daily uptrend. Maybe, you know, we're not even going to see this gap being closed or even wicked into in today. We might have to wait until Asia or tomorrow, early London session. Who knows? Happened quite a lot. Just got induced long, maybe. How do we know? What is the structure? What is the type of movement that has to confirm to us that okay, buyers or sellers are induced?
You know, maybe. If it would decide to go down, there's just no other way around it than to wick into the new week opening gap. London price action was better. Yeah, London price action was better. I totally forgot to see that comment, Naomi. Yeah. Yeah, I agree, Naomi. London price action was definitely better than this. Almost at, oh yeah, you're looking for the 60, I think. Let's go, Pashka. What is happening? We have the new hour. Titanic loading. All right. I think it's time for you guys to see. Failed. Congratulations. Congratulations. It might not go down. It's not closing it. All right, now it's closed. Interesting. Anyway, with this trade, this account is eligible for a payout. This is an Apex account. So on this Apex account, I was down actually. I told you guys I was down. I was down like, I don't know, 600, 700, something like that. So with Apex, if you, so the same goes like at Bulenox. If you, 8 minimum trading days, you can request above the threshold. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna request $1,000 from this Apex account. Basically, that's what I'm gonna do. That's it. Do you have restrictions on buying new eval? No, I don't. I can still buy. I can still buy. But I think, you know, the thing is, I was able to come back from that drawdown. I was down like about $600 and made an additional 587. I don't know. Does anybody know if I can? Yes, it's a funded account. Yes. PA Apex, you see, PA, that's performance account. So this is a funded account with Apex. So I just don't know. I'm still not sure about the exact rules, but can I withdraw? I mean, do I have to leave all the $2,600 on the account, or can I withdraw $500? Because if I can withdraw $500 extra, then I'm gonna withdraw $1,500 if I can withdraw. I don't know. Does anybody know that? I'm not sure. I'm not sure how much I can withdraw. I think I can only withdraw after the 1st of November, right? I think. Yeah, after the 1st of November. I see. Can withdraw 500 into the safety net. Really? So that means that I can withdraw up to $1,500 from this current account. So I can withdraw all the way down to $52,100. So the minimum I have to leave is $2,100. That's actually a good thing, I guess. Okay, so that's a good thing. I'm happy about that. Should be going down to 28, I think. In my opinion. I'm not jumping in, that's for sure. I had a very good trade. I'm not going to jump in. Thank you, Paul. It started out very ugly. I was down a few hundred. I was at my daily limit. Like, okay, this is not going to be good. So I was, you know, 480. Yeah, could go. I don't know when it's gonna tap into that gap already. Anyway, it's just interesting to see the price action of how it's going. I think there is still some profit taking on these levels here, and that's why it's having a hard time to go lower. It might even go higher. I have mountain to climb. MyFundedFutures daily loss hit. Oh, well, it can be manageable. It can be manageable, Matt. So it has the positive effects as well. You know, you recharge, reset your mind, you can do it. And you don't have to climb it in one day. All this account have monthly fee. No, it doesn't. Thing to do Apex and 10 well, if you want to copy trade 10 accounts, I mean, it doesn't have a monthly fee, so. But copying 10 accounts is maybe a little bit too much. For me, definitely. Short 50. Oh, nice. Yeah, this is a chop session right now. Really don't know what to do with this chop. It sure is chopped up. No, I don't know. Feels like it's just not gonna go easy down there. If it will go down today, you know. It's not gonna go that easy. This new week opening gap is just not giving in. It's just not giving in. Well, maybe a double bottom, not really a perfect one, but we can say that. But yeah, just stay flat. Yeah. 1K on the 100K drawdown. I would say maybe you should leave that for the day. I mean, it's not a sprint, you know. You can come back tomorrow or trade a different account maybe. I'm also thinking about what to do with this. I was hoping that maybe we can get some kind of reaction from this gap here, which we can still get, in my opinion. Have to see how this is going to react from this fair value gap. But it's just squeezing up there again. What a surprise, right? All right, this candle almost closing. It has a few seconds left. I feel like it could be a bullish candle, which would indicate that it could squeeze up again. All right, it closed bearish, which is kind of a good sign for the shorts. I don't know. This is so weird. This is absolutely weird. Nincs korábban a Market Open, ugyanúgy 9:30-kor van. Hello! Én itt voltam. According to my book, unless it will go up. Okay, well, there could be orders up there, that's for sure. I agree. The problem is that the price action is really crap. That's the issue. Igen, de ugyanúgy Amerikában 9:30-kor van a Market Open, csak Európában van váltás, szóval nekünk hamarabb van. Ott ugyanúgy van. Alright. Just waiting. Look at the reaction on this gap. Subham, hey there. Welcome. Just condensed price. And the action is clear. Oh. Nice Hungarian there. Yeah. But nice reaction. Actually, I do like this reaction on this fair value gap. I do like that. Looks okay, in my opinion. Yeah, that's the problem. I was hoping that maybe we will see something as we approach the lunch hour, but real folks hate there. Welcome. But so far, nothing. I'll give you one guess as to what I got this morning. All right. I think you got in a short somewhere
from up there. This is my guess. Somewhere from there. All the way down. That's my guess. FTT payout? FTT payout. Oh, I hope you have an FTT payout, man. I really hope. That would be my second guess. So actually I have two guesses. You're short from up there or you got an FTT payout. Yeah. I hope I mean we have some people who really, I mean, I'm also waiting for a payout, but it's a small amount compared to what some of you guys are waiting. So I'm just waiting for $1,150. I got the paid by date email, but many people said that others got it too, but no payout yet, but let's hope. 50 pointer, 622 to 72. 620. What? From all the way up there? How did you do that, man? How did you do that? Nice, congratulations, dude. Denying 10 million payouts still have backlog so many. Yeah, I'm not gonna go into that anymore. Let's just give it time, guys, and time will tell everything. Time will absolutely tell everything. Market makers disappeared. Only retail is trading right now. Yeah, I think the big boys just actually took off to have a good lunch, and they said, "F the market, we're gonna go out to the beach or whatever, and enjoy the rest of the day." Because, yeah, this here is just ugh. This is just horrendous price action. I just want to go and play some PUBG, you know. I want to get myself killed during the game a few times, you know. I might gonna play some team play with some random people, who knows. And I'm just gonna get myself shot. No, I'm not playing Call of Duty, not because it's a bad game or anything. It's just too fast for me. It's just too fast. I just can't keep up with the phase. Like, I'm seeing some of those streamers play Call of Duty. I'm like, okay, that's just too fast, you know. For example, look at Z Laner. You guys know that, right? Doc used to play with him. I mean, I don't even know what I'm seeing when I'm watching his stream. Like, I'm like, Jesus, that guy is a machine. He doesn't even think like a human anymore. I don't know. He's just... Let me check Discord. Venom, come on. Dude, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. This is from Venom. Nice trade. Beautiful trade. Got it right up there. Nice one. Congratulations, dude. You deserve it. Oh my god, we have a bunch of kids in the neighbor's garden outside and they're just screaming. Jesus, I have to close the window. I love kids, but, you know, I just have to close the window. They're just screaming like there's no tomorrow. Alright, much better. Your entry was there too? Classic gap trade. Hey, Dan. Alright, let's see what is going on.
Used to play COD for money. Then you're a pro, man. Doom Clan is pretty good. I used to play with them. They always... Oh, now that's it. So the thing is, I mean, the game is good, but the thing is that it's crowded with pros. Everybody is a pro on. I mean, let's just say it out. 85 or 90% of the players on Call of Duty Warzone are pros, are real pro players. So the casual player like myself comes into the map and like, oh, well, what's good? You know, let's go here, let's go left, let's go right. And all of a sudden, I just looked somewhere and from the other side of the map, somebody just shoots me, boom. Or I just enter to a room and you know what happens. In 0.2 seconds, I just get deleted from the game. That's what usually happens with me in Warzone. And it's all good, but I would rather enjoy playing against bots, I think, because the pro players are just slaughtering me. I'm very bad. You love the I love the muted kids, yeah. Should go down more now. Well, who knows? We can just go sideways until the lunch hour like this. Yeah. A million bad players. A million bad players. Yeah, so I'm a bad player. I'm not ashamed to admit it. I'm a very bad player, but it's very hard to find a worse player than me in Call of Duty or PUBG. Although I have quite a few thousand hours in PUBG, but it's hard to find a worse player than me. So when usually I play with a team, they say I should go first and they will kill me and at least they will know where the enemy are or enemy is. So I'm muted. I'm not muted. I'm muted? I'm not. Can you guys hear me? All right. Oh my god, this price section. Oh, you can hear. All right. You could try play squad. Yeah. Yeah, maybe, but maybe. Yeah, I'm the guy who's the bait. So they push me out like, okay, Tom, just go out there, get yourself killed, and we will know. Especially in PUBG. So in PUBG, everybody's camping. You know, everybody's hiding. That's the game. That's what it's about. Everybody's hiding. So when nobody knows what the hell is going on, I just go out like, you know what, Tom, just go, and I get myself killed. All right, he's dead. Now we know where to go. Well, yeah, so I'm the one. I'm the person who's the bait in every squad game. You're a good Warzone player. Nice. Protect you. You guys have to, yeah, you guys have to carry me because I'm just gonna I'm just gonna run behind you, you know. Man, what is this price section really? I don't know. What the heck is going on? I just really don't know what the hell is going on here. I wish I would know. NQ is basically stopped, right? Nothing is, it's over. It's not moving. I mean, that's it for NQ. Where's my calculator? no idea what the hell is going on. Yeah, stuck in the range. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, even if we go down to at least to wick down into the gap, I mean, that's the only thing that's left for the day. I don't know what the PM session holds, but you know, we're approaching the lunch hour soon. Man, it's getting darker and darker here. Now it's too yellow. I have to change the color. A little bit better. Just hold your short and we hit iceberg. Is there an iceberg order somewhere to go short? Short runs down the NQs, but that down bought for the V bottom. I see. Well, head and shoulders. Could be. You drew some circles on your phone. It's telling me to turn it off. Oh, dude. Well, it's just really a struggle right now. I mean, anything can happen, obviously. And I think a lot of traders are still waiting for that gap to be taken out. You know, I wonder if it's even going to tap in. Where is the gap on the mini? I'm gonna check it on the mini. You know, let's check the gap. The open is 25.50. Almost got down there. Let's go. Actually, I would be fine with 26 if it goes. Look at this, man. Just look at this. Jesus. What a dirty move. What a dirty move. Oh, man.
I'm willing to go into a negative risk to reward with this trade. I mean, I don't know, man. The new week opening gap starts at 25. So I don't know. But I feel like we could be having a bounce anytime to squeeze out everybody. Come on, just do it already. It doesn't need too much, it just needs like 10 points-ish. Just to wick down. You know. That's all. Nothing more. Nothing more, just a wick. That's all we need. Patience. Patience. Well, I mean, watching this price action, I don't know what to expect, really. So, come on. Are we gonna have it or what? Traders get more anxious. I'm okay. I'm alright. Rather than the stop. Yeah, but and that is really interesting, you know. As soon as it gets closer to your take profit, I mean, yeah, I can definitely say that it's true. Stop loss to break even, please. You can't watch that. I'm gonna tell you a secret, Venom. I am willing to take the full stop. No problem. Jesus. And then I might try to short again. Oh my god. What the hell is up with this one? It was looking so simple. It was looking so simple, you know. It's afraid of the gap. Yeah. It's afraid what's gonna happen down there in the gap, you know. Too choppy. I agree. I agree. This is absolutely not normal price action, and yeah. It's the V bottom. Could be. Yeah, I guess those of you guys who remain flat, you did right. You did good. You're cooked. Yeah, my brain is getting cooked as well. In this price action for sure. That's what they want you to think. That's the okay, yeah. You know, this whole thing is just a huge manipulation, you know. A huge manipulation. The short is going to dump it again. Oh, I don't know anything anymore. This is on a funded account. ProfiTrade funded account to be exact. But I'm not copy trading this, so if I lose this, it's alright. I'm not gonna copy trade this, obviously. So I'm looking the big picture. To my left, there is everything. I'm looking the big picture. I see I like the big picture, by the way. So definitely I like that. And I want to go to the new week opening gap. That's what I want. You know. So just let us all be peaceful and watch how this is going to kill our nerve system, right? Oh my god, my microphone is full of dust. We will dump there. Let's see. We're just gonna wait. We're gonna be patient, and whatever happens, we're gonna make peace with it. And I just can't think of, you know, later on today I'm gonna jump in and play some video game, maybe. I don't know. That one short and will continue to be controlled by him until the Nasdaq does any new time highs, which is going to. Oh, I see. That's true. I mean, I'm not saying it won't. Anyway. My chopsticks. I'm gonna fall asleep here. But, you know, we have some entertainment here. I don't even know what the hell was why did I enter to this trade in the first place? I mean, what was my trigger? Oh yeah, I know. Yeah, I know what. Okay. There was a bearish reaction from up there in the gap on the 1 minute chart. Horse tranquilizer? I don't need. No, thank you. I have, by the way, I'm not a drinker, so I don't really drink alcohol, but what? This was a fast what? I mean, I got taken out from the position before the price went down there, but let me check it. Nice. Okay. So we got closer a little bit. Which one was this? The ProfiTrade. Okay, this account. All right. So this trade was made on the ProfiTrade account, so still have to make about $600 to get a payout, but hey, one step closer. That's all that matters. $300 on this funded account. This was a good one. At least we tapped into it. Patience paid off. Exactly. Exactly. Are you not entertained? Yeah. Anyway. I had one trade on YM after I came home. Oh, nice. Let me check. Oh, very nice. You got it right at the top. Beautiful there. Tomasz got the YM trade right up there at the top on the 1 minute. Beautiful. Beautiful. This is how you do it. Beautiful trade. All right, all right. Iceberg. Yeah, I think honestly, guys, I think I'm done with the New York session for now. I mean, I secured a payout at Apex. I did good with this ProfiTrade account. I don't really think I want to push it, you know, in this environment. Obviously, we went down into the opening gap. What happens after this? I don't know. I'm interested to speculate anything else. I was waiting for this for a long time, so for a long time. I was waiting for this move since like a while, and anyway, yeah, too much stress. This is just not the ideal conditions. So that being said, guys, I think I'm gonna call it here. And that's it. I'm gonna come back tomorrow in London session. So thank you so much for watching. It was a good one. Ended up green. I might gonna scalp later in the PM session. I don't know. Anyway, thank you so much. I'll be back in London. I hope you guys made some profit. If not, then come back tomorrow recharged. And if you would like to support the stream, please use my codes. There's still some very good sales going on. No activation fees with MyFundedFutures. Take profit. Bulenox 90% off. ProfiTrade 90% off. MyFundedFutures not giving a discount now on the starter account, but if you would like to give some credit to the stream, please apply my code. Thank you, everybody. And I'll be here tomorrow in London. So stay safe, be safe, and stay cool. Cheers, everyone.